Here are 20 useful English words that are versatile, common, and important for English learners, along with their descriptions. Hello, a greeting or expression used to acknowledge someone when meeting or communicating. Example: hello. How are you today? Goodbye, a farewell or expression used when leaving someone or ending communication. Example: goodbye. See you tomorrow, please, a polite word used to request something. Example: could you help me, please? Thank you, an expression of gratitude or appreciation. Example: thank you for your help. Sorry, a word used to apologize or express regret. Example: I'm sorry for being late. Yes, a word used to affirm or agree with something. Example: yes, I would like some water. No, a word used to deny or refuse something. Example: no, I don't have time right now. Help, a word used to ask for assistance or offer it. Example: can you help me with this task? Like, used to express preference or fondness for something. Example: I like this movie a lot. Need, used to express necessity or something required. Example: I need to study for my exam. Want, expresses a desire for something. Example: I want to go to the beach. Know, to have knowledge or awareness about something. Example: do you know where the library is? Understand, to grasp the meaning or significance of something. Example: I understand what you're saying. Can, expresses ability or possibility. Example: I can swim very well. Will, used to indicate future intention or willingness. Example: I will call you later. Do, a verb used to ask or talk about actions. Example: what do you want to do today? Be, used to describe identity, qualities, or states of being. Example: she is a teacher. Have, to own, possess, or experience something. Example: I have a new phone. Make, to create, produce, or cause something to happen. Example: can you make a sandwich? Take, to grasp or receive something, or to go somewhere. Example: take this book with you. These words are building blocks for English communication, helping you in everyday conversations. To effectively practice English and improve your skills, try incorporating these methods into your learning routine. 1. Daily conversations. Speak English every day, even if it's just with yourself. Practice greetings like hello, goodbye, and polite expressions such as thank you and sorry. Ask questions like, how are you? Or can you help me? To engage in simple dialogues. 2. Language exchange. Find a language partner online or in person who speaks English. Use apps like HelloTalk or Tandem. Practice by having short conversations using common words like want, need, know, etc. 3. Use apps websites. Apps like Duolingo, Babbel, or Memrise are great for interactive vocabulary and sentence-building exercises. Websites like BBC Learning English offer free lessons with real-world phrases and scenarios. 4. Write daily. Keep a journal and write short entries every day, using words like be, have, make, do, etc. Write about what you did, what you want, or what you plan to do tomorrow. Example: today, I went to the park. I want to study more English tomorrow. 5. Listen, repeat. Listen to English podcasts, audiobooks, or YouTube channels like English Class 101. Focus on how words like can, understand, help are used in sentences. Repeat the sentences aloud to improve pronunciation and fluency. 6. Flashcards for vocabulary. Create flashcards for each of the words. On one side, write the word, e.g., help, and on the other side, its meaning and example sentence. Review these flashcards daily to memorize the words. 7. Real-life application. When you order food, buy something, or ask for directions, try using the words you've learned. Use please, thank you, sorry, and help in real-life situations. 8. Watch movies shows. Watch English movies or TV shows with subtitles. Focus on how basic words are used in everyday speech. Try to mimic the character's way of speaking, especially when they use words like, want, and know. 9. Practice questions-answers. Practice forming questions and answers. What do you like? Do you want to eat? Can you help me? 10. Join English groups or classes. Join a conversation group, in person or online, where you can practice speaking. Enroll in an English class to get feedback from a teacher on how to use words correctly. The key to progress is consistency. Practice using these words in real conversations, writing, and listening every day to gradually build your confidence. Starting to learn and practice English can feel overwhelming, but if you break it down into simple steps, it becomes easier. Here's how to get started. 1. Set clear goals. Why are you learning English? E.g., for work, travel, or socializing. Set small, manageable goals. For example, I will learn 10 new words this week, or I will have a basic conversation in English within a month. 2. Begin with the basics. Start with essential words and phrases like greetings, hello, goodbye, common verbs, want, need, like, and polite expressions, please, thank you. Focus on simple sentences first. For example, I am John, I like pizza, I need water. 3. Build a routine, daily practice. Dedicate at least 10 to 15 minutes every day to learning. Include different activities, listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Morning, listen to a short English podcast or YouTube video. Afternoon, write a few sentences about your day in English. Evening, practice speaking out loud, even to yourself. 4. Learn vocabulary in context. Don't just memorize words. Use them in sentences. For example, if you learn the word want, practice with, I want coffee. Do you want to go out? 5. Practice listening. Listen to simple English conversations, news, or songs. Start with slow, clear content. Apps like BBC Learning English or YouTube channels like English Addict are great for beginners. 6. Start speaking immediately. Don't be afraid of mistakes. The goal is to communicate, not to be perfect. Practice talking to yourself about your day, asking questions, and giving answers. Example, what do I want for lunch? I want a sandwich. 7. Use free learning resources. Download apps like Duolingo, Babbel, or HelloTalk to practice vocabulary and speaking. Join websites like BBC Learning English or ESL Lab to get free lessons. 8. Find a language partner. Use apps like Tandem or HelloTalk to find someone to practice English with. If possible, speak with a native speaker or another learner online. 9. Watch and read in English. Start watching simple English shows or videos with subtitles. Read children's books or simple articles in English to build confidence. 10. Be consistent. Consistency is key. Stick to a daily routine. Even 10 minutes a day adds up over time. Track your progress. After a week, check if you've learned new words or can understand more. Sample 7-day beginner routine. Day 1. Learn 5 basic greetings. Hello, goodbye, how are you? Day 2. Practice asking and answering questions, e.g., what's your name? My name is. Day 3. Listen to a short English video or podcast, 5 to 10 minutes. Day 4. Write 3 sentences about what you like, e.g., I like music. I like to read. Day 5. Learn 5 more verbs, e.g., want, need, have, know, like. Day 6. Speak out loud, introducing yourself and saying 3 things you like. Day 7. Review everything you learned during the week. Remember, start small. You don't need to learn everything at once. Enjoy the process and celebrate small successes. Good luck.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope you learned something new today. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell notification so that you never miss on new updates. Have a nice day.